going on, everybody? Welcome back to Brussels Rides. I'm Matt again here with another episode. We have an important episode. We're going to be appreciating some of the subscribers, some people who've been supporting this channel for a long time and enabled me to be able to do a lot of the things that I've loved doing. He's mad because his car is not working because there's no battery. What's up, Maddox? But today we got a really cool episode. I've been very fortunate. We're closing on 5,000 subscribers now, and I can't thank you guys enough. But out of those 5,000, there's a couple people that I really want to recognize, as they've been overly generous to the channel, and it's enabled us to keep doing the things that we're doing. It's helped fund certain parts of the projects. As a matter of fact, like getting the Fox body ready for Foxtoberfest would not have happened if it weren't for some of you guys. So I want to show appreciation to you. So I want to show appreciation to you guys, and we're going to add you guys to the Fox Trunk of Fame. But before we do that, I want to recognize one of the subscribers. So Eris has a Gotta Have It Green Boss 302, recently upgraded his short throw shifter from a MGW race spec to an X spec. And what he did is he sent us his race spec short throw shifter. So he basically gave me the leeway to do with it as I please to help the channel. So what I think we're going to do is we're going to sell this and put it towards the supercharger fund. So I should have one of these for sale at a reasonable price. But Eris, I want to say thank you, sir. I appreciate it a lot. Hold on, Hayden. Hayden, want to say hi? Say hi. Say hi. Hi. But Eris, I want to say thank you, man. I appreciate it a lot. I can't thank your generosity enough. Eris, from the bottom of my heart, I want to say thank you, man. I appreciate you. I appreciate everything you've done for the channel. We got a bunch of other names to ring off here real quick that have been overly supportive of the channel and very generous and have definitely helped me along the way. A little crazy, man. Alright guys, so like I said, we've got a whole lot of names we want to recognize here. Going through it real quick, we got Stupid Fast Truck, we got Eris, we got Broke Brad, Ken Hilliard from HPR Performance, Pink's Garage, Victor Xavier, TK's Garage, Nate Marcy, Sublime GT500, Tri-Y Boss, that's Colton, Sabino Guzman, Boss Man, 12 Boss, Destroyer 1320, Downhill Daddy, Rich GT350R, CP the Tool Addict, Determined Veteran, T. Hetzler, Paul DeFox, and not to forget, Carmob. So all you guys, I can't thank you guys enough. Just from reaching, down into your own pockets to help support something I enjoy. There's no words that I have for that. Ow, you bit me. He bit me. There's no words I have for that. It's very humbling. And I appreciate all of you. Appreciate all the subscribers. Appreciate anyone who's contributed to the channel in any way. Anyone just watching the videos helps the channel. So thank you, everybody. This will be a short episode, but I did want to get this out. Coming up here soon, though, we should have a lot more awesome Mustang content. Stay tuned, guys. Say bye. Say bye. Say bye. Wave. Wave. Say bye. Say bye. Say bye. Say bye. He's not gonna say bye. Everybody, take care, stay safe, stay blessed. See you next time. There we go. Nope, stop. Let's do it again. Bad launch again.